Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. I'm very much excited to come before you through this small video with the title Intro to CA Inter 45th Session Regular Batches. So till now we have already completed 43 sessions of CA Inter Regular Batches. 44th session recently got started and it is running now. And this is going to be our 45th session of CA Inter Regular Batches. That shows our experience in dealing with CA Inter batches. So this is our 45th session of CA Inter regular batches. We have already completed 43 sessions of CA Inter and 44th session of CA Inter recently got started and it's running now. In these 43 sessions, we have already finished CA Inter coaching for 135 batches of students. So these 135 batches are in Guntur alone. We have similar number of batches in branches. 135 batches in Guntur and another 135 batches in all our branches put together. So we have an experience of dealing more than 270 batches of CA Inter. Each batch consisting of minimum of 150 students in Guntur and minimum of 75 students in branches. This is what our experience in dealing with CA Inter regular batches. 45th session of CA Inter regular batches are going to commence. So the commencement date, there will be two types of batches. One is pre-results batches, another one is post-results batches. Normally, 80% of our CA Inter admissions will happen in pre-results batches only. So only 20% of the students will wait for results and join. 80% of our students will not wait for results. They will join in pre-results batches only. So pre-results batches will commence within 1 week of completion of CA Foundation exams. Pre-results batches are going to commence within 1 week of completion of CA Foundation exams. As far as post-results batches are concerned, they will commence immediately after announcement of CA Foundation results in January 2021. Actually, I am recording this video on September 26, 2020. In future, if the same video is going to be played for future batches also, then I request the students to make necessary updations based on the situations prevailing on that day. But right now I am shooting this video on 26th of September 2020. Coaching duration. So 7 to 7.5 months for the students of pre-results batches, because in pre-results batches we will teach even BCom classes also. That's why we will be conducting CA Inter classes for half day, and for the remaining half day we will be conducting BCom classes also. That's why in pre-results batches it will take 7 to 7.5 months to complete the syllabus. This 7 to 7.5 months consists of 6 to 6.5 months for CA Inter and remaining period for BCom classes. So in pre-results batches, till the announcement of results, classes will be conducted for half day, and in the remaining half day we will conduct degree classes. That is the reason why there is a difference in syllabus completion between pre-results and post-results batches. As far as post-results batches are concerned, 6 to 6.5 months will be the duration required to finish off the syllabus. So CA Inter coaching will be available in all our branches, that is Guntur, Amirpeta of Hyderabad, Dilshuk Nagar of Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Kurnool and Nellore. So CA Inter coaching will be available in all these 8 locations. In Kurnool and Nellore branches, complete coaching of CA Inter will be offered through Zoom platform only. That is, from the beginning of the batch till the end of the batch, complete batch will be run through Zoom platform only. This is going to apply for Kurnool and Nellore branches. So total number of hours in which coaching will be provided, 1600 to 1800 hours. So since this is a regular batch, it will take this much of time to explain all concepts in a detailed manner. We will teach all concepts in a detailed manner, keeping first time listeners in view. Of course, number of teaching hours will be slightly less in Hyderabad and Vizag branches, because the working hours will be slightly less in Hyderabad and Vizag branches. That's why the teaching hours will also be slightly less in those two branches. In all other branches, it will take at least 1600 to 1800 hours to finish off the syllabus. That shows how detailed manner we are going to teach the classes. About our faculty. So totally there are 8 papers, but they will be dealt by at least 12 faculty members at Guntur. Of course, this many faculty members will not be dealing in branches, but as far as Guntur is concerned, these 8 papers will be dealt by at least 12 faculty members. So in Guntur alone, we have a team of more than 32 faculty members teaching various subjects of CA Inter. Of course, in all our branches put together, we have a similar team of similar number of faculty dealing with CA Inter. So Guntur and branches put together, we have a team of around 60 faculty members for dealing various subjects of CA Inter. So why we have this many number of faculty? So in Guntur alone, we will be dealing with 4 crash batches in a year. In each session, there will be one crash batch in pre-results batches, another crash batch in post-results batches. Each crash batch once again consists of group 1 and group 2. So in a year, we will be getting around 8 crash batches in Guntur alone. So, and we generally get at least 12 CA Inter regular batches per year in Guntur alone. So that is the strength of the students that we deal in Guntur alone. That's why we need a jumbo team of faculty to deal with this many number of batches. Some of our CA Inter faculty will even teach for CA final students also. So for example, our faculty Rajshekhar sir is there. He is going to teach at CA Inter level as well as CA final level. That shows the quality of faculty that we are engaging for CA Inter. Each and every faculty is either qualified CA or CMA or a subject expert with a very vast and rich experience. Majority of faculty are either qualified CA or dual qualified. For each subject we have specialized faculty. Some subjects will be taught even by multiple faculties. One single subject will be dealt by multiple faculties. Of course, in Guntur alone, in branches, one single subject will be dealt by one single faculty. In Guntur, for example, if you take accounts and advanced accounting, it will be dealt by at least 3 faculty members in Guntur. Some subjects will be taught even by multiple faculties so as to give the benefit of specialization to students. Experience of each faculty in our team ranges from 6 years to 10 years. And each and every faculty working with us have been with us from the past several years. So for each subject, we will be providing only experienced and expert faculty in Guntur as well as all our branches. About our materials. We have a policy of providing updated material for each and every batch of CA Inter. So the materials that we use for one session will not be provided to another session. That is a policy that we have kept. So for each session, we will be updating our materials and providing the updated materials to students. How we prepare our materials? We have a clear-cut guidelines document for preparing our materials, which will be prepared by me. So a faculty team consisting of at least 3 faculty members will be involved in material preparation and verification work. So material being prepared by one faculty will be verified by another 2 faculty members at 2 different levels. So initially it will be verified by our supporting faculty. Later on it will be verified by our faculty of at least 2 members. So once after material preparation, it will be verified at multiple levels so as to see that we deliver best quality material to the students. We will provide most updated edition of materials to all the students for all the subjects. And after material preparation, we have a clear-cut checklist to verify whether the material quality is correct or not. We have started material updation work 2 months back itself. We are still working on the same. So we may not be able to provide the material for all the subjects, all the materials at a time. We will be releasing the material in installments. That is, chapter-wise we will be releasing the materials. Each and every material will be verified by our academic director, that is me. I am going to verify each and every material. I will be personally reading the entire material before finalizing and releasing the same. So that kind of stringent procedure that we follow for material preparation, that is why we are able to deliver quality material to the students. So we will not provide any hard copies of material. We will arrange soft copies only, and students need to arrange Xerox copies of the same on their own. We'll share the material through our Telegram channel. You need to download the same and you need to take printout of the same on your own. Across the nation, Mastermind students may not be there, but across the nation you can find students who are following Mastermind's material. Lakhs of students will be downloading our materials from Mastermind's website. A team of more than 30 persons consisting of faculty, supporting faculty, operators will get involved in material updation work. That is why material updation work itself will cost lakhs of rupees to us. Even if it costs crores of rupees, we are not going to compromise. And we would like to give the best to the students. That is our commitment. Examinations that we conduct. So chapter and exams at the end of each chapter on every Sunday. So every Sunday there will be chapter and exam. So the chapter and exam will be conducted based on the chapters completed recently. So after completion of syllabus, we will be conducting revision exams. Masterminds is the only institute. Masterminds is the only institute in South India to conduct these revision exams after completion of syllabus. So we'll charge an additional nominal fee for the same. So of course, it's optional for the student to join this or not. For this purpose, we'll be charging some additional nominal fee for the same. Doubts clarification. In the last 5 minutes of each class, students can directly interact with the faculty and clarify their doubts directly. So in the last 5 minutes, our faculty will encourage you to ask the doubts and they will clarify the same doubts on the same day immediately. So doubts clarification will give utmost priority. We have already started a Telegram group for doubts clarification in Telegram, in which you can post your doubts and faculty will clarify the same on the same day. So we are proud to say that in just a matter of 3 days, more than 3,000 students have joined the group. And every day in that particular group, we are clarifying around 60 to 70 doubts per day. So, and those doubts are being clarified directly by our faculty members. We will even conduct doubts clarification sessions through Zoom platform, and we can proudly say that Masterminds is the only institute to organize this facility. Mode of teaching. Classes will be taught using Zoom platform. Right now, Zoom is the only option available in the market. Either it is Masterminds or any other organization has to use the same platform. So once we are using the same platform, the quality of classes that we are going to deliver will remain same. So if I am using Zoom platform, whatever the quality of classes that I am going to deliver, if the same Zoom platform is being used by some other organization, then they will also deliver the same quality. There is no other option. Since we are using the same platform, so everybody will deliver the same quality of output. In Kurnool, Nellore and Rajahmundry branches for few subjects, we may provide HD quality video recordings through Masterminds online classes app. For few subjects, we may provide, we have not taken the decision, we may provide HD quality recorded videos through Masterminds online classes app rather than Zoom platform. With respect to remaining branches, we have not taken any decision, because for remaining branches, we may provide direct classes for all the subjects. If it is not feasible, for few subjects, we may provide HD quality videos through Masterminds online classes app rather than Zoom platform. So if you don't take such decision, that means if you don't provide HD quality recorded videos through Masterminds online classes app, then we will conduct the classes through Zoom platform only. Everyone has to use the same Zoom platform, as no other option is available in the market. So everyone will deliver the same quality. So one cannot claim that we are giving better quality using Zoom platform, because everybody using the same Zoom. All our faculty will teach the classes using touch-enabled laptop for best quality output. In Guntur, students will be divided into multiple batches. Of course, so such requirement is not there in branches. In all our branches, there will be only one batch in each branch. So what will happen if government allows all colleges to open? So some students may get this doubt. Till the vaccination process is completed, that means till the vaccination of all the people gets completed, we will continue the classes using Zoom platform only. After vaccination, we will continue classes in physical mode for students who are willing to come to the classes physically. Some students may not show interest to attend classes physically. For those students, we will continue conducting classes through Zoom platform. That means after completion of vaccination, students will have two options. Either they can attend the classes physically or they can continue attending classes in Zoom platform. So we personally feel that physical classes are far better than online classes. Even you might have experienced the same by this time. So the attention levels, the discipline levels in physical classes are far better than online classes. So that's why we are eagerly waiting to conduct the classes physically rather than through online platform. So keep this point in mind while taking the decision, because very soon vaccine may come. In Kurnool, Nellore and Rajahmundry branches, classes will be conducted through Zoom platform only till the completion of syllabus. So Kurnool, Nellore, Rajahmundry branches, till the completion of batch, we will be conducting classes through Zoom platform only. We are not going to conduct classes physically. For few subjects, we may provide HD quality video recordings through Mastermind's online classes app rather than Zoom platform. We have not yet taken this final decision with respect to this. Once the decision is taken, we will communicate the same to you. Medium of teaching. 80% of the teaching will be done in English and 20% of the teaching will be done in Telugu. Actually, majority of our faculty members are capable enough to teach 100% in English, but we have taken this decision for the convenience of students and help the students for better understanding of the concept. More than half of the faculty members in Guntur will be taking the classes completely in English. In our Hyderabad branch, all the faculty members will teach all the classes completely in English. So we have an experience of 18 years in dealing with CA and CMA courses. Our 19th year is running now. So we have already finished 135 batches of CA Inter and Guntur and similar number of batches in all our branches put together, and that shows the experience that we have in dealing with CA Inter batches in Guntur as well as branches. Completed 13 batches of CMA Inter and Guntur. 14th and 15th batches are running now. 15th batch has recently got started. So right now we are dealing with more than 150 batches of various courses in Zoom platform. That shows the experience that we have in dealing with Zoom platform. Our achievements at foundation level. So whatever the achievements I am going to explain now, frankly speaking, these are the achievements of our students. Then what is our role? Our role was to act as a catalyst to provide a right platform for them to flourish. So some students may argue, sir, how can you take the credit when the entire credit goes to the student? Yes, I'll agree. Majority credit goes to the student. But where our credit lies is, why such kind of caliber students are choosing Masterminds? Yes, let us say that a student has got rank because of his own caliber. Then why such caliber student has chosen Masterminds for his CA Inter coaching? There lies our credit. For running the organization in the best possible manner, for providing best faculty, for providing best material, for providing best quality of services in all the aspects. That is the reason such kind of capable students are choosing Masterminds for their CA Inter and CMA Inter coaching. Now, first let us start with CPT or CA foundation level. Actually, CA foundation is the latest name and the old name is CPT. And some students may argue, sir, why you are even showing the old ranks? It's not like old or new. Once it is our achievement, it's our achievement. For example, if you take a cricketer, are they not showing the total runs scored by the that particular player in various matches? Are they not counting the number of centuries and number of half centuries done by him in various matches? So every result is our result. Every result is our result. Are we not proudly saying that India has won World Cup for this many number of times? Even though that incident might have happened several years ago, but we are still saying it proudly as our achievement. Similarly, each and every achievement counts, because each and every achievement requires relentless efforts by management and students. We still remember, in a single attempt, our students have secured 41 all India ranks in CPT exam. one single attempt. There are several institutions whose lifetime ranks are not even 41. But whereas our students, in a single attempt, they scored 41 All India ranks. So MM is the only institute in India. It's not South India, it's entire India. Ours is the only institute in India to get 197 out of 200 in CPT for 5 times. It's not for one time, which may feel to be accidental. We scored this for 5 times in the history of CPT exam. MM is the only institute to secure All India first rank or best marks in CPT. Why I am saying best marks? Because in the last few exams of CPT, they have stopped giving ranks. So we were able to only find the best marks. So we are able to score All India first rank or All India best marks at CPT level for 12 times. 12 times. Even if we are achieve it for 1 or 2 times also, it's a great achievement for us. But our students made us feel proud by achieving All India first or best mark for 12 times. It is so because ICA has stopped declaring ranks in the last few attempts of CPT. So here is a rank list of first CPT examination, the first and foremost CPT examination. And here you can see that the name of Guntur is appearing for 5 times. So in that way, our students made our organization feel proud. In that way, our students have bring laurels to the organization. And the first rank student is Aravapalli Sushma Sirisha Guntur. So you can see her name even in our pamphlets and the titles of the books that we are providing. Sushma Sirisha. So she got All India first rank in that particular attempt. And you can see the name of the Guntur for 5 times. Frankly speaking, it is not being conducted in India alone. The same exam was conducted even in Nepal and UAE and some other countries also. So out of that exam, out of that much competition, our student has secured All India first rank, and some other 5 students have secured All India rank in that particular exam. And in that particular exam, only All India 10 ranks were announced. Because in CPT, only All India 10 ranks will be announced. But at CA Inter and final levels, All India 50 ranks, top 50 ranks will be announced. So in just last 3 results of CA Foundation. So now I am talking about CA Foundation, not CPT, CA Foundation. Because in CA Foundation, ranks will be given and top 50 ranks will be given. In just last 3 results of CA Foundation, we secured 40 All India ranks, and no other institute in AP and Telangana is even nearer to this. And remember, these are not lifetime ranks. These are the ranks achieved in only 3 attempts of CA Foundation. So you cannot find this many ranks for an institution in its lifetime. But we are able to achieve this many ranks in just 3 attempts of CA Foundation. And our best rank for CA Foundation till now is All India second rank, which was achieved by our student K. Sai Srikar. All these details show the importance that we give to transparency. So we want to maintain transparency in each and everything that we do. So we always do the things in a very transparent manner. So quality is very important for us. Similarly, transparency is also equally important for us. Our achievements are for IPCC or CA Inter or CMA Inter level. So IPCC is the old name for CA Inter. CA Inter is a new name and IPC is the old name. As far as CMA Inter is concerned, just like CA Inter. So we have CA Inter in CA course. Similarly, CMA Inter in CMA course. Recently, syllabus got changed. Old name is IPCC and new name is CA Inter. So don't forget that every student will not be allotted rank just like MSET. In MSET, whoever attempts the exam will get a rank. But it's not the case with CA course. In CA course, at CPT level, only top 10 ranks will be given. At CA Foundation level, top 50 ranks will be given. At CA Inter and CA final levels, top 50 ranks will be given. So that is why we have not stated any ranks beyond 50. So only top 50 ranks will be declared at all India level. That is why we have not stated any ranks beyond 50. At CPT level, we have not shown any ranks beyond 10 because only all India 10 ranks will be given. Secured 88 ranks at IPCC or CA inter level in just last 7 years. That is 14 years. Even though we established our organization 18 years back and 19th year is running. So the 88 ranks that we have achieved at IPCC or CA inter level are only in the last 7 years. That is 14 attempts. We have not even included the ranks of CMA inter. These are the ranks only in IPCC and CA inter. So on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institute in AP and Telangana is even 50% nearer to this. Not even nearer, even 50% nearer to this. There is no other institution in AP and Telangana. And in just last 7 attempts, that is 3.5 years, we secured 41 ranks in IPCC and CA inter levels. So on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per each attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is even 50% nearer to these results. That shows the supremacy that our students are showing in IPCC and CA inter results. And our student Vaishnavi has achieved All India first in CA IPCC. Achieved All India 4th, 5th and 6th single digit ranks in IPCC or CA inter. Old name is IPCC, new name is CA inter. Achieved first rank in CMA inter results of February 2020. It's our very recent result. Our student Deepak Jain has achieved this feat. Achieved All India first rank in CMA inter results of August 2019. Achieved All India first rank in CMA inter results of February 2018, Vaishnavi. Achieved All India first rank in CMA inter results of August 2017. Our achievements: IPCC or CA inter photo session. We have a habit of conducting photo sessions at IPCC and CA inter level. For May 2019 and November 2019 sessions at Guntur campus, we have conducted photo sessions for 61 batches. Of course, we were unable to upload the photographs of 61 batches. We were able to upload the photographs of 49 batches. For around 11 to 12 batches, we were unable to conduct the photo session because of this pandemic situation. So originally they were scheduled to be conducted in March 2020, but in the month of March, pandemic was declared. As a result, we were unable to conduct the photo session for those 10 to 11 sections. So thanks to our students for extending their cooperation in taking these photographs. 49 photographs we have uploaded the same in our Facebook. Even now you can go to our Facebook page Masterminds for CA and you can search for keywords and you can identify these 49 photographs being uploaded. So for totally 61 batches, they were there in IPCC and CA inter. We were able to conduct photo sessions for around 49 to 50 batches, and for remaining batches we were unable to conduct. So you can see all the photos individually in our Facebook page. This shows our strength at IPCC and CA inter level. And remember, all these details show the transparency that we maintain. We just want to be transparent. That's why we are giving all the details in a very transparent manner. So we have a habit of declaring list of students who have qualified IPCC or CA inter. We are not just highest in number of admissions alone. We are even highest in terms of number of students who have qualified. So number of students who are getting qualified IPCC or CA inter are also highest in Masterminds. For example, with all details, we have uploaded the list of all students in Facebook who have qualified IPCC or CA inter in the results of February 2019. So in the results declared in February 2019, Totally 2,100 students have qualified IPCC or CA enter either both or single group in masterminds. And remember, these are not the number of admissions, these are the number of students who have qualified. And these are not the number of students qualified in our lifetime. These are the number of students qualified in a single attempt, that is February 2019. So due to lockdown, we were unable to compile the results of February 2020. Actually, we were supposed to do for February 2020 also, but in the month of March itself that lockdown was declared. As a result, we were unable to compile the results for February 2020 results. So for February 2019, after announcement of results, these are the photographs that we have uploaded in Facebook. We have a habit of declaring the serial number, hall ticket number and name of the student who have qualified IPCC or CA enter in our institution. So we have uploaded the names of all 2,110 students in our Facebook. All the 2,110 students details we have uploaded in the Facebook. That shows the hard work we put in to bring transparency in our systems. We just want to give perfect information, correct information to all the students. So no other institution is ready to give this much results transparently in this much transparent manner. I have not found any institution to declare their results in this much clear manner. So they just declare only the ranks, but we have declared the details of all students who have qualified in that particular attempt. So IPCC or CA enter results of February 2019 and August 2019. If you merge the results of these two attempts, nearly 4,000 students have qualified, either single or both groups in our institution. No other institution in South India has got this kind of track record. At least they are not even nearer to 50% of these results. That shows the quality of coaching being given by masterminds at IPCC and CA enter levels. We have uploaded all the details of students, including hall ticket numbers, in our Facebook page. All these details are evidence of our transparency. We want to give complete information in a very transparent manner to all the students. In November 2019 session of Guntur, at CA final level, we got 2,000 admissions for CA final. Remember, these are not the lifetime admissions of CA final of masterminds. These are the admissions that we are able to get for CA final in November 2019 session alone, in a single session. It's not even 1 year. If you count 1 year, our admissions will be around 4,000 for CA final. In just one single session, because each year consists of 2 sessions. In one single session, our students are able to score, our admissions are around 2,000 for CA final. And remember, this is Guntur and branches put together. So that shows the confidence of CA final students on masterminds. As you already know, CA final students think in a very matured manner. So I don't think that a CA final student will join to us just by looking at advertisement. He will make all the necessary inquiries and he will check the quality of our education. Then only he will come and join for CA final. So we are able to back the confidence of CA final students by giving best quality of services to them. And we are going to start 24th batch of CA or CMA final soon. So till now we are able to finish 23 batches of CA or CMA final in Guntur, and we are going to start 24th batch of CA or CMA final soon. That shows how much consistently we are conducting CA final batches. We are not confined to CA Inter or CA Foundation coaching. So our presence and our dominance is there even at CA final level. CA final students are very mature and they take decisions in a very calculated manner. So we are able to back the confidence of such CA final students. That itself shows the quality of our education. Our old student Guram Pranit has achieved All India first rank in CA final results of November 2019 attempt. So thanks to our Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu to felicitate him. Generally only science students' achievements will be recognized, but As against to that, our Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has even honored a commerce student who was able to score All India first rank at CA final level. And even our admin advisor Mohan sir has honored our All India first ranker of CA final, Guram Praneeth. So, All India first rank in CMA final results of February 2018. List of students who have qualified CA final. Just like we have a habit of releasing the list of students who have qualified IPC or CA Inter, we have a habit of releasing similar list at CA final level also. We are not highest in number of admissions alone, we are highest in terms of number of students also. For example, with all details including all ticket numbers, we have uploaded the list of all students in Facebook who have qualified CA final exams and the results of January 2020. So total number of pass outs in that attempt are 941. They are not our admissions. They are the number of students who have qualified CA final, either group 1 or group 2 or both groups in masterminds. And remember, they are not the lifetime results. They are the results of a single attempt, that is November 2019 attempt, and the results were announced in January 2020. So all these results are the evidence of the quality of education that we are giving, and all these procedures that we are following shows the transparency that we want to maintain. So here is the list that we have uploaded in Facebook. Since Facebook is a public domain, anybody can go and check whether what we have said is correct or not. So we have uploaded all the details in our Facebook page, Masterminds for CA. You can go and search. So we have uploaded the details of all the 941 students of CA final who have qualified in the results of January 2020. We have included the details of hall ticket number and name in the Facebook itself. In the last 3 attempts of CA final, 2,800 students have qualified CA final, either single group or both groups in our organization, that is Guntur and branches put together. That shows the number of students that Masterminds is able to produce, Masterminds is able to qualify, and that also shows the confidence of CA final students on Masterminds. We have conducted photo sessions, just like at CA Inter level, we have a habit of conducting photo sessions for CA final also. At CA final, we were able to conduct photo sessions for May 2019 and November 2019 sessions. See our CA final batches photo session at Guntur, 41 batches. We have not conducted photo sessions our branches. We don't have that habit. We have a habit of conducting photo sessions in Guntur only. You can see all the photos individually in Facebook. We have uploaded all the photos in Facebook also. So we have not conducted photo session for May 2020 because of pandemic situation. So here is the photograph. For all the 41 batches of CA final, we have conducted photo session. So they belong to May 2019 and November 2019 sessions at Guntur campus. We don't have a habit of conducting photo sessions at branches. This is only Guntur. And all these photographs are already uploaded in Masterminds page, Masterminds for CA in Facebook. You can go and browse the same and you can check whether all these photos are available or not. Here is the photograph of Pawanputra campus. This campus is for CA final students. So when we are able to maintain a separate campus for CA final students, that shows the strength that we have at CA final level. That shows the confidence CA final students have on us. That shows the number of students who are admitting for CA final with us for each year. So that is why we are able to maintain a separate campus for CA final. All these admission and results are examples of our leadership in CA-CMA courses, are examples of confidence students have on our systems. Conclusion of our achievements in various courses that we offer. 3 All India first ranks in 2020 year alone. So we are just in September 2020. By this time, our students have bagged 3 All India first ranks in the year 2020 itself. All India first rank CA final, All India first rank CMA final, and All India first rank CMA Inter. So our students are bagged first rank for 44 times in various courses for which we offer coaching. And achieved 180 All India ranks in CA and CMA courses in the last 3 attempts. Remember, these are not the lifetime ranks of our organization. These are the ranks achieved in just the last 3 attempts of CA and CMA courses. Achieved more than 866 ranks in all levels of CA CMA courses till now. This does not include MEC ranks. These are the ranks only achieved at CA CMA courses in our lifetime. Achieved 6 single digit ranks in CA CMA results of 2018 and 19, between 2018 and 19. 6 single digit ranks. Now coming to fee details. Compared to our earlier sessions, we have drastically reduced the fees. In this pandemic situation, we just want to help the students to face the situation. If CA Inter regular batch students of any of the old batches want to take admission in new CA Inter regular batches, then it is sufficient to pay 30,000 as fee. It's not required to pay the full fee. It is sufficient to pay 30,000 as a fees. From May 2020, we came into the ambit of GST. Earlier, GST was not there. From May 2020, we came into the ambit of GST. From that fee, from the fees that we are going to charge, we need to pay 18% as GST. Normally, if you look at various institutions in metros, they will charge GST in addition to their fees. But we are not charging GST additionally. Whatever the fees that we are charging, in that fee, we are paying 18% as GST and retaining the remaining 82% as our fee. That means if you pay 1 rupee to us, 18 paise will go for GST and 82 paise will come to us in the name of fee. So whatever the 1 rupee that we are paying, we are not going to take in the name of fee. 18% we need to pay to GST. So don't compare the fee alone. We will teach this batch in 1500 to 1700 teaching hours. We will teach everything in a detailed manner. In metros, there are several institutions who name it as regular batch, but they will finish off the coaching in just 1000 hours. We are not doing in that manner. We are teaching everything in a detailed manner for 1500 to 1700 hours. If some other institution is able to teach in only 1000 hours, obviously fees will be less. When we are teaching for 1500 to 1700 hours, please don't compare fees alone. Please look at how many hours of teaching is being provided in that institution. And even though they name it as a regular batch, they run it in the format of crash batch. So dealing a regular batch is entirely different from dealing a crash batch. So we deal regular batch in a different manner and crash batch in a different manner. In such a case, how fee will be comparable? We are teaching with a team of 11 faculty members with specialized faculty for each of the subjects. So each batch will be dealt by around 12 faculty members, 11 to 12 faculty members, and sometimes a particular subject will be dealt by multiple faculty. So you cannot find this many number of faculty in any other institution. Hardly 8 papers will be dealt by 8 faculty members, but in our institution, 8 papers will be dealt by more than 11 or 12 faculty members. If you want to compare, then even compare the ranks and other achievements along with fee. If there is some other institution which don't have this much of track record, this many number of positive feedbacks, this many number of students who have qualified, this many number of ranks, then please don't compare the fees of that institution with Masterminds. So there will be so much of efforts we need to put for getting a rank. So we need to do everything in a quality manner for getting a rank. That's why. We offer best coaching. Sir, what is the evidence? The best results that we are producing. 866 ranks that we have achieved till now. So 180 ranks in just 3 attempts of CA and CMA Inter. 3 All India first ranks in just 1 year. All these results are the evidence of the quality of coaching that we are providing. So, and the number of admissions that we are getting That is also an evidence of quality of coaching that we are providing. So don't count the ranks alone. Just I have already said 2,100 students have qualified IPCC or CA enter either one group or both groups in one single attempt. That also shows the quality of education that we are providing. So we have a policy of providing latest updated material for each and every subject. But when you compare, please compare the material being provided also. Is the material being provided that institution is as quality as that of Masterminds? No. So Masterminds material is the best among all other institutions. Also compare our experience of 18 years in dealing with CA CMA courses. Experience counts. Definitely experience matters. So in every field, wherever organization has experience, that organization will deliver you better quality of services. So our directors will directly interact with the students. So several students who have taken coaching at foundation level are also aware of the same, who directly interact with the students. So mobile numbers of directors will be provided to you. So we have been doing this from the beginning. It's not that now we are doing, we have been doing this from the beginning of our institution. So you can directly send a message to the directors, you can directly make a phone call to the directors. For example, if you got only 30 admissions, our organizations is able to get only 30 admissions, then I will say that we'll take only limited admissions of 30 just to show off. But we will not say like that. We have a policy of dividing the students into multiple batches. In Guntur, in each session, we'll be getting around 6 to 7 batches. So we have to obviously divide the batches into multiple batches, students into multiple batches. So we will be taking as many number of admissions that we get, but we will divide the students into multiple batches. We will not indulge into such kind of cheap tricks. So these are the complete details with respect to our CA Inter new regular batches which are going to commence. That is our 45th session of CA Inter regular batches. I hope that all the students will choose Masterminds as their first choice and bring laurels to this organization by getting best result and best ranks. Thanks to one and all.